Good evening, friends. I'm Ananya Singh in front of you. I'm standing in Shiv Shakti English Coaching Center, and today I want to tell you about the difference between home life and hostel life. Friends, as you know that for further study we all have to go to far from our home to study further, and it is necessary also because sometimes I think environment of home is not good for all, and then hostel life is better for us. But according to me, hostel home life is better because I had spent 3 years in hostel for my study. So I realized that home life is better than hostel life because it is true that study of hostel is good because there are so many friend circle, that good friend circle that they study there, so it is good also. But for some hostels only it is good. It is not for all hostels that study is good there and friend circle is good. So I think home life is best because in home there are parents, so they tell us in to how to study, means they support us. But when we are further, so I think no one there to support us. And hostel life routine is also not good according to me because there is no time of awaking, no time of sleeping, no time of college also, that what we are doing. And if we are further from our home, so we also think about our parents also, that how they are, how they spending their life there. So I think so many difficulties are there in hostel also. It is hostel life is good sometime because there are so many good friend circle also, that they support us, they tell us about what to do and what to not do. If there is good friend circle, then we are enjoying there. And sometime sometime friend circle are not good, so we also feel bad there. So hostel and environment is also good of hostel. Environment of study is also good. If hostel is good, then all is good, environment also, study also. But home is that place that home is the best place for study also, and environment is also good. So friends, according to me, home life is best than college life. Discipline, sometimes I see that hostels students have no discipline also because they didn't know what to say in front of anyone, what to do in front of anyone. So, and if they are at home, so parents teach them, parents support them what to do, what to not do. So discipline also makes student well and student life good. So I think so I